Here are the steps to graph an inequality. So we have the inequality 3x minus 2y less than 8. So the first thing we have to do is we have to get our inequality into the form of slope-intercept, so that we have a slope and an intercept. More commonly, you remember seeing it as y equals mx plus b. So we got to get the y by itself on one side of the inequality sign, and then everything else is on the other side. So we subtract 3x from both sides, and that gives us negative 2y less than negative 3x plus 8. Divide both sides by negative 2, and remember, when you divide by a negative, when you're doing inequalities, you have to change the inequality symbol, reverse it, flip it, however you want to think about it. So then it becomes y greater than 3 over 2x minus 4. So 3 over 2 is our slope, and negative 4 is our intercept. Okay, so we put our point at negative 4, we go up 3 over 2, and we have our line. Now, because it's strictly greater than, we use a dashed line. Then we can use 0, 0 as a test point to verify which side we're going to shade. Is it the top or the bottom? Because 0 is less than 8 is a true statement, then we know that we are for sure doing the top part, right? Because it ended up as y greater than, so we shade everything above. What does the shaded area of the graph represent? Think about that and write that down in your notes. When selecting a test point to use, make sure that the point does not lie on the boundary, right? Don't pick something that's on the line, whether it is dashed or solid. Make sure it's off of the line. When using the point 0, 0, makes calculations easier, you cannot use the point if it passes through the origin. Instead, try 1, 1 or 0, 1. Right? So make sure it doesn't end up on the exact line that you are creating.